The chapel of Saint Aloysius Minor Seminary, the external view. There are a lot of spaces on the roof, all those empty spaces. So we've put some material there to stop the rain or the water from weighting the walls. When the walls were weighted, then we have this. We have this happening. We have all this. And then going into the chapel. Going into the chapel, you see all that. This is what's happening. So we hope that what we've done will stop this from happening, so that we can repaint the chapel, the entire chapel. This chapel was painted last year, but it looks like nothing happened because the water was constantly wetting the walls. You see all this. And we also need to change the roof, to change the ceiling rather. We need to change the ceiling. The ceiling was leaking and all this is happening. We need to change the ceiling. These are the walls under the sanctuary. Constantly the weight. So the chapel is not looking beautiful as it should be because of all this.